ikutan natin lahat yung mga probinsya, although kahit na hindi delikado, but actually we're going to Abra after this, purposely to check on the operational readiness of all the provinces, no? Kung kinakailan lahat yan, iikutan na talaga namin para ma-check lang yung operational readiness ng ating mga different commands down to the station level dito sa parating na election itong May 29. Actually dito wala namang red dito. Kung walang naka-post na grave concern o yung color red na tinatawag. Pero siyempre, meron din naman tayong nakikitang lugar dito, especially so dito may isa yata, if I'm not mistaken, na merong nasa listahan ng lumabas na narcolis, no? Ayan, at the same time, meron din naman tayong tinitignan ng mga municipalities dito na posible na magkaroon ng intense political rivalry, not necessarily magkakagulo. Yun ang iniiwasan natin kahit papano, whether yung mga opposing parties o yung mga kanilang mga supporters. Well, ang ano naman nila is ang sa atin naman ang sinasabi ng batas, they are presumed innocent unless otherwise proven, no? Nasa korte na yan. I think mapapailan naman sila ng kaso and they will have their day in court, no? At doon naman siguro ang right forum to at least mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon to clear their names kung talagang wala silang kinalaman sa ganung sumbong o report sa kanila. Unang-una, he's still in hiding, no? I don't know his motive there, hindi natin alam yung sinasabi niya, at actually ongoing pa rin naman yung sinabi nating validation kay yung sinasabi niyang Michael Yang, no? At so far, ulitin natin, wala namang kaming nakukuhang any report or derogatory report that this person is involved in any illegal activity, particularly on illegal drugs. Well, nasabi siguro ng presidente natin sa sobrang galit niya, no? Dahil ito nga, kinu-question yung timing ng paglabas, no? Siguro nga out of galit, masabi ng Pangulo natin yan.
So walang ibang meaning, sir, yung sinabi niya?
Well, wala naman tayong gustong ano doon, no, na bigyan ng meaning. What is sabi nga natin, we operate within the limits of the law. So, no, palagi yan, at no less than the President, sinabi naman niya yan even during his several speeches, na wala naman siyang sinabing you go beyond the law and I'll still support you. Wala siyang sinabing ganun.
So anong plano po natin kaso?
Well, actually meron na siyang kaso and we're just wondering why hanggang ngayon wala pa naman siyang kasing warrant of arrest. Pero nasampahan siya ng kaso. Remember na siya rin mismo ang OIC during the time. Tama ang sabi ng ating Pangulo na siya ang OIC during the time nung napatay si G. Ikju, no? Doon sa loob mismo ng kanilang opisina, no? Siya ang acting OIC din at wala yung kanyang boss, no? At siya rin ang nakasuhan doon sa magnetic lifters na kung saan may mga na-recover na billions of worth of shabu. There must be something wrong.
Pero ngayon,
well, actually yung dawit naman niya, sinasabi niya bigay siya ng report. Well, kung kaya niyang i-prove yun, let him prove that. As far as I'm concerned, talaga sa sobrang dami ng dumadaan na document sa opisina ko, hindi ko na matandaan kung talagang meron siyang binigay. And at the same time, sabi ko nga, it's very unusual for a deputy, not a chief of office, to write a memorandum. Kung memorandum yan, yung sinasabi, na memorandum yan na binigay niya sa Chief PNP, whether it's during my time or during the time of former Chief Bato. Ngayon, kung intelligence report yan, the normal routine there is pupunta yan sa Directorate for Intelligence, na ang sabi ng DI naman namin, wala rin naman silang natanggap ng ganung klaseng intelligence report coming from him. Yes, we would like to commend the Victoria Municipal Police Station, no, doon sa Samar, at nagpakita talaga sila ng tapang wherein they were harassed by more or less 50 NPA rebels, no? But they were able to repulse yung kanilang yung pag-atake sa kanila. In fact, nakapatay sila ng 3 at naka-recover sila at naka-aresto sila ng isa, no? That is very commendable. Ang initial report ay meron ding sugatan sa on the side of the PNP, although minor lang, shrapnel ang isa sa medyo malapit sa mata at isa malapit sa ilong, pero out of danger sila. Yes, they're M60, M60 ang na-recover. M60, isang M60 machine gun ang na-recover sa kanila, no? At initially ang sabi is pumunta sila kasi which is a good instinct, no? They occupied the high ground. Pumunta sila doon sa second or third floor ng kanilang station at doon sila nakipaglaban, nakipagpalitan ng putok. Kaya of course, in any firefight, sabi nga nila, you always occupy the high ground. Merong mangilan-ngilan. We expect few reshuffles, especially sa mga provincial directors, no?
Before election,
yes, before this, even during the election period, pwede naman, provided na meron kaming permission for coming from the COMELEC. Kailangan lang natin na kumuha ng clearance kasi whenever we reshuffle, whenever we transfer an officer from one place to another.
To our President, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, sir, in behalf of the 190,000 strong PNP personnel, we would like to greet you a happy birthday. We wish you good health and long life, and we would like to assure you that the PNP is behind you in all your advocacies and trust against illegal drugs, criminality, and corruption. With your great leadership, we can make our country great and strong. Once again, Mr. President, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, sir.